What is loss of baggage cover? Baggage loss coverage provides reimbursement for luggage as well as for covered item of yours that are lost or stolen while you are traveling. Baggage delay coverage allows you to purchase essential items you need for your personal comfort while you're waiting for your bags to arrive. It compensates you for the loss of important travel documents, travel funds, and personal possessions. The cover may differ from one plan to another. Baggage delay coverage generally becomes active after your belongings have been delayed for a specified period of time. For more information about insurance, check the link from the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Darla Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.